Welcome to CoFounder, the AI native operating system that turns static plans into living results. In the next few moments, we'll guide new users from sign up to first insight and help returning users pick up right where they left off. Ready to unlock your AI foundation in just a few clicks? Let's dive right in. Step 1. Verify your email. Open the invitation email from CoFounder and click Verify Email Address. Your browser launches CoFounder automatically and confirms your account. Step 2. Define your organization. On the welcome screen, type the username you'd like teammates to see. Next, choose your organization type. Select business, community builder, or investor. And yes, only community builders can spin up partner organizations later. Have your website URL and LinkedIn page details handy. They're optional, but adding them lets CoFounder pull live context and tailor smarter recommendations from day one. Page refreshes with fields that matter to your choice. Startups? Upload your pitch deck or company overview to fast-track growth insights. Are you currently raising? Tell us. Community builders? Tell us the industry you're most interested in. Investors? Share details like the investment focus sector and ticket size you're ready to deploy. Now add your website and LinkedIn page. When everything looks right, click Create Organization. Step 3. Review and save. CoFounder has pre-filled your basics. Company name, a short what we do line, industry, and team size from the links you gave us. Now you can scan the details and tweak anything you'd like. Tap the green tick beside each edit to save the changes. Then hit Next. Congratulations, your CoFounder is live. A guided click-through tour will pop up. Feel free to explore or skip and start building. Returning user? Go to cofounderaccelerate.ai. Enter your email. Copy the one-time verification code we send. And you're straight in. And that's a wrap. Dream bigger, build smarter. Your future begins now with CoFounder.